Okay, checked with 2 wires, it keeps going doot 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 doot. Well, you see nothing comes up. Flashing red and green. Alternate yellow and green, blinking quickly, is the compass calibration. Now we're flashing straight yellow, which is remote controller signal lost. Yeah, okay, I'm hooked it straight up to the computer, it shouldn't need it. Click on Assistant, nothing happens. I'm logged in. If I hit settings, all the stuff is off, right? But I turn it on. Now what? Hit enter. Can't shut settings off. There's an X. I can X out of it. Let's shut it off. You hear the doo-doo-doo. Turn it back on. Doo-doo-doo-doo. On the computer. For you, and then disconnect. Connect. Red lights in the front. Drone started. Red and green. Now quick yellow, which is no remote controller. Still doesn't account for the no image transmission, and System 2 isn't recognizing it. I'll go back to settings, turn everything on again. I'm logged in. You're driving me nuts. So, while settings is there, let me shut it off and turn it back on. Okay, off. It's being recognized by the computer. Down, up, again, it's on. And red and green. And then yellow for no remote control. I don't know what to tell me. Nothing. What is that? Need to email them. There's a little email thing there, and there's a little telephone thing there. Neither one of them works. And it says the version 2014 down here. I give up so far.